To make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here at the desktop, you want to sign in to your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. Here at the home page, you can go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on this shop icon. And then you can just click on all right here. And then as you can see at the networks and add-ons, you can just click on Crunchyroll. Just click on it. And then you want to click on next to add the Crunchyroll to your membership of YouTube TV with $8 per month and a 7-day free trial. Here you can complete your Crunchyroll purchase by selecting the payment method. Either you want to use credit, debit, or even PayPal. And then just click on agree and then start the membership. After you are completed purchasing Crunchyroll, to watch the Crunchyroll, you can do it both on the computer or TV or any streaming devices. Just click on searching icon at the top right of your screen and then just search for Crunchyroll. And here just click on Crunchyroll network. And there you go. Now you can watch any your favorite anime on the Crunchyroll. And then if you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.